Hi guys, today we're taking a look at Mandalorian N1 Starfighter Lego model, which was released in 2022 and retired in 2026. The model is based on a Naboo N1 Starfighter model that has been modified. A few general characteristics: it measures 7 centimeters in height, 42 centimeters in length, 29 centimeters in width, and has 4 minifigures. The stand we designed and developed originated from a customer suggestion to shape it like the Mudhorn emblem. We successfully executed that idea, and the result is a straightforward, faithful representation of the logo. This stand is precisely cut and beautifully engraved with the model's name, N1 Fighter. Now I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of mounting and securing the model to the stand. Every package includes a printed instruction sheet to guide you through this process. You can rotate or turn the model as needed to find your preferred angle. Upward position. This is the standard initial position, with the model pointing up. And this is the downward position, where you can achieve a diving look. We've also included space for minifigures to enhance the scene. At its highest point, the display stands approximately 10 inches tall. And just a quick tip, many customers have added backlighting to their displays, which beautifully highlights the engraving and the silhouette of the ship. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is to let you know that all our display stands are shipped as seen. They are fully assembled and you don't have to worry about fitting or gluing any parts for them. Also, we aim to cover them in foil that protects them against fingerprints and dust. Also, the packaging is strong, durable, and provides excellent protection for the product inside. We truly hope that you enjoy our display stand, so please go directly on our website and order from there. We have an amazing rewards program where you can earn points, which obviously you can turn into cash for your future purchases. And for those of you who want to turn influence into income, we are going to have an affiliate program. All details are on our website. Thank you.